Hi guys, it's Charlie from Monocure 3D with a pro tip. Today we're going to explore the difference between two popular types of 3D printers, the FDM and the DLP. Let's get into it. FDM 3D printers, which is short for fused deposition modelling, use a strand of solid thermoplastic that is heated up and melted through a fine nozzle to create objects layer by layer, similar to a child colouring in a drawing. A DLP printer, which is short for digital light processing, uses a UV light to cure a liquid photopolymer resin, a whole layer that builds up over time. So why would you choose resin printing over FDM? The main difference between the two technologies is the surface quality of the finished result. Most FDM printers will print at their lowest at 100 microns, where a DLP printer can usually print as low as 10 micron layers. At 100 microns, you can see the layer lines quite easily. If you're making a part that needed very fine detail, then resin printing would be a more suitable option. Even at 50 microns, the average cross-section of a human hair, it is hard to see the layer lines with the naked eye. When you go down to 10 microns, they're only visible with magnification. There are a number of other advantages and disadvantages of both technologies. We won't get into too much detail here today. But if fine detail and a smooth surface finish is crucial, then you choose DLP printing as a better option. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, but most importantly, don't forget to keep 3D printing.